Yo, what up, boss? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be interesting to talk about how aggravating it is to run out of disk space when you're trying to export a video, let alone when you're trying to put it together. It literally feels like the end of the world when you have this amazing video and yet no one's gonna get a chance to see it because your computer doesn't want to hatch it out. And if you're rendering, it feels like time is going by so slow. Then again, it may be time to get that brand new computer you've been eyeing for such a long time, and you'll have to spend about $3,000 for it as well. Oh, how sweet life is, so very fair. But not today, Satan, not today. Today, I'll show you how I was able to get around this problem when I had tried deleting all these files on my hard drive and not seeing any results, and without spending any money. So I experienced this issue with my last video. I had ran out of disk space and I couldn't find a way to export my video to my desktop. I managed to find a way to export it to my external hard drive, but I didn't want this to happen again, so I started looking online to figure out how to solve this problem. After looking around, I couldn't find a way to solve my problem directly, so I decided to get the new MacBook Pro instead. And there you have it, that's exactly how I solved my problem. Just kidding. The morning I was going out to purchase it, I decided to try one last thing, to find the Final Cut render files and delete them. I wasn't able to clear off all the storage space, but I was able to go from 12 gigabytes to 150 gigabytes. Now I can keep saving so that one day I can get that brand new shiny MacBook Pro, maybe dip it in candy color red, max out the RAM, get the best graphics card and... never mind. So let me show you the steps I took in case you're having the same issue and you want to get that extra storage space back. I'm gonna go to the Apple icon and click on About This Mac and check the storage. Storage says 149 gigs. Let's see how much extra we can get. So once we're back in Final Cut, we're gonna go to File, Delete Generated Project Files. On this screen, we're gonna click on Delete Render Files. And that's it. So let's check our storage again. Would you look at that? 149 gigs to 173 gigs. And there you have it. I hope that helped get that extra storage space back so you don't have to go out and get that brand new computer and continue getting in debt. Hashtag real talk. So let's talk about that 100 subscriber giveaway. Two quick disclaimers. The first one, the photo does not come with a frame. I just so happen to frame mine because I want to see my artwork on my wall. The second disclaimer, I'm only able to see subscribers whose profiles are marked as public. Anyone who's marked as private, I'm not able to see. So the results. Drum roll please. Unfortunately, we did not hit the 100 subscriber mark. However, I'm still gonna do the giveaway. So the winners are... If this is your name, send me a message via social media so that I can get your address and send your photo your way. Before the year ends, I want to read some comments that I've gotten from you guys. So let's start. My friend Mandy says, so excited for you and can't wait to see what your channel does to elevate your already talented profile. Yes! My friend Madeline says, God bless you brother, you got this. Thanks for the encouragement. Shout out to my friends Fetterman, Carmen, and Jung out in Ohio. My friend Rio says, great stuff bro, keep it up. And my boy Reggie, great job bro, keep up the great work. My boy Tony, who you guys saw in my last video, says, I love the video bro, especially the bloopers at the end and your twin running around. That's for sure. And finally, I got a few comments from Angel. I'm not sure where you're from, but it's great to see your messages, man. I remember when I was a kid, it was such a joy to open up presents during Christmas or Dia de los Reyes. To just imagine what was inside these gifts. A Ninja Turtle, a Super Nintendo, maybe a Game Boy? Ripping up that paper and finding out you got some socks, maybe some clothes. Nobody wanted that. Or was I the only one? So now it's my turn to gift my son, to be able to see his face as he rips through that paper and sees what he got. It'll be just a little bit longer before he's able to speak. So I'm gonna give him what I want, a box of diapers. Christmas isn't about the gifts we give, nor the ones that we receive. It's not about the tree. It's not about Santa. It's not about the food, although, I could really go for some ponche right now. And it's not about the family gatherings. It's about remembering and celebrating Jesus, who came from heaven as a gift to us if we so choose to accept him, so that we may have access to him and the Father in heaven. Well, that's my last video for 2019. I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and successful 2020. See you next year. Then again, it may be time to get that brand new computer you've been eyeing for such a long time. And you'll spend Then again, do you hear that? Oh my God. Oh, how sweet life is. Oh, how sweet life is, right? Can't be showing my guns, you know? Gotta hide those, put those away. So I experienced this issue with my last video. I had ran out of startups After looking around, I couldn't find the problem that solved. The morning I was going out to purchase it. So let me show you the steps I took to get that extra storage space. So let me show you the steps I took in case you want to get that extra. After looking around, I couldn't find the problem to my solution directly, so I decided to get the new MacBook Pro instead. What's up, Juan? I hope this comes out really good. The second disclaimer, I was only able to see people's, So the results. Come on, you need to stay, buddy. And there you have it. I hope that helped get you. And there you have it. I hope that helped. Shout out to my homies, shout out to my friends Fetterman, Carmen, and Junghoon. Shout out to my friends Fetterman. My boy Tony, who you guys saw in my last video, says, "I love the video, bro, especially the